Hello everybody, let's start with our analysis for today. Today we are going to analyze Tata Services Maharashtra Limited TTML. This particular stock is picked by Flow Purpose Lens newsletter, a really good premium newsletter. So let's start. This company is a telecom operator from Maharashtra and it provides a wide range of products like telecom services including mobile, broadband and enterprise solutions. Basically in the telecom sector, the financial analysis of the company. Before we start the financial analysis of the company, this stock is picked by Flow Business Newsletter, a really good premium newsletter. If you guys want to go and subscribe to them, it's a paid newsletter. I highly recommend. Let's start. So, financial analysis wise, the company is showing consistent revenue growth in last recent years, driven by increased subscriber base and data usage. The profitability of the company has been increasing with the profit margin, the cost optimization measures. Before we move forward, the one thing I've already noticed in their books, I will be discussing before we move forward. Let's point it out before we go ahead. Their company is showing good operating profit, but the overall net profit is negative, all right, on the quarterly basis and also on the yearly basis, all right. We'll be discussing it further when we go to that part. So that's the point that I just wanted to make before we move forward. So let's just check out the debt. The TTML is showing reducing debt levels with positive sign of financial health. The cash flow, the company is generating positive cash flow from operations and it's used utilizing for investment and debt reduction. The key strengths are strong market position, focus on data services like 4G and 5G, including investment in infrastructure, strong parent company support. It's backing by Tata Group, so they don't have any issues with the funding. And then there is brand name also associated with them. Let's check out the key risks. The intense competition as the telecom industry is overall is very highly competitive with Reliance Jio and Airtel as very big players and strong market control also. So let's check out the regulatory change. Regulatory changes always affects the telecom industry. Let's check out the next one, the technological disruptions. The rapid technological advancement can quickly obsolete the existing technologies. Cybersecurity threat, the company faces a risk of cyber attack which can impact its operations. The investable score is of 6, which is one higher than 5, which is okay. Let's check out the analysis. The TTML is a well-positioned player in the Indian telecom market with a strong brand and a growing subscriber base. While it faces challenges from competition and regulators, the company focuses on data services and network upgrade for this positions it for future. It's a moderate risk investment in their opinion, suitable for investors with moderate risk appetite and medium to long-term investment horizon. Due diligence is always necessary no matter where we read the report or where we invest. All right, let's check out the disclaimer. The research report is only for informational purpose and it should not be considered as investment advice. The investor should consult their financial advisor before making any kind of investment decisions. Let's check out the books. We just, as I pointed out in the beginning, the net profit of the company is not very good from the quarterly basis. The operating profit is also although increasing, so that's interesting. Let's check out the profit and loss on the yearly basis. On the yearly basis, the company is showing loss of 1228 crores, but the operating profit is 527 crores. The operating profit basically means the company is what kind of money the company is making from their core operations, right? That's good. So let's check out, and this is a standalone report, right? We can see the consolidate also, but this is a standalone, so from the very core operations. Let's check out the next one. The cash flow. The cash flow is net positive cash flow of 18 crore. The highest positive cash flow is in operating activity from with 586 crore. The highest negative cash flow is in financing activity with 503 crores. Let's check out the shareholding pattern. I've already opened the name of the promoters. Shareholding pattern is 74.36% of the promoter side. FIS is holding 2.34%. FDIs are holding 0.09%. Interesting part is that the promoters are decreasing their holding on March 2017. March 2017, the holding was 74.86%, but now it's 74.36%. So they have decreased their holding a little bit. The finances from the FIIs, basically, the FIIs has also decreased their holding from March 2024 to December 2024 with 2.46 to 2.34%. DIs have increased their holding with 0.06% to 0.09%. The public holding is 23.18%. So that's interesting. As it's a Tata company, I have a little bit more faith in Tata company, but let's see. No matter how much faith I got, we all have to be very careful when we see finances where the net profits are not showing. All right, let's check out the chart. From the chart perspective, as we can see, the company's stock has been fallen a lot since 2021. 1 December 2021 2022. So we have to be very, very careful. I will be only considering any kind of investment when the company's overall net profit increases and the price crosses after 155. Before that, there are two huge order block resistances which I have to consider as a very risk position to be part of. So I will be only considering after 155. That's all there is to it with the analysis part, and I'll be waiting when the next report comes from the Flower Business Newsletter. If you guys are interested, you can go and subscribe. They have now easy subscription available. Once you click on the subscription tab, here subscription, and you will see below that easy subscription. Once you click on easy subscription, this page will open. Your subscription will be active after 48 hours. Actually, within 48 hours, not after 48 hours. Just whatever you choose, whatever package you choose. I have currently this package. I have to pay 8800 for only once. Now I am free for 5 years. So for 5 years, whatever research they do in the quant department, everything from beta testing to the development, I get the access, and it's really, really good. And before that, you can see there is a 3-year plan also, which you have to pay 4500 for 3 years. Then you will have to only pay once, and then for the next 3 years you will be free. You have to just go and use it, and it's really, really good newsletter. And then 2200 for 1 year if you want to test it out. Really, really great newsletter. If you guys can afford, please go and subscribe. It's really, really good. All right, so that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Bye bye.